The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most significant APS-C camera releases Canon has ever attempted, and the latest leaks suggest the company is preparing something far more ambitious than a routine successor. Instead of treating the APS-C category as a stepping stone for beginners, Canon appears ready to position the EOS R7 Mark II as a serious professional tool designed for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and hybrid creators who need extreme speed, intelligent autofocus, and advanced video features in a compact and versatile. The original EOS R7 was already considered one of the strongest cameras in Canon's crop sensor lineup. It delivered impressive autofocus performance, fast continuous shooting, and excellent image quality while offering the reach advantage that APS-C cameras are known for. Wildlife photographers especially appreciated the 1.6x crop factor because it effectively increased the reach of telephoto lenses, making distant subjects easier to frame without requiring enormous super telephoto glass. However, even though the camera was widely praised, there were still several areas where users wanted Canon to improve. One of the biggest complaints involved rolling shutter performance when using the electronic shutter. Fast-moving subjects often appeared distorted because the sensor could not read data quickly enough. This became especially noticeable during motorsports, bird photography, or any situation involving rapid movement across the frame. Some photographers also felt the compact body became uncomfortable during long sessions with larger lenses attached, while video creators wanted improved thermal performance and more professional-grade memory card support. According to the newest leaks, Canon has listened carefully to those criticisms. The rumored centerpiece of the EOS R7 Mark II is a brand new 39.1 megapixel backside illuminated stack CMOS sensor. This upgrade alone could completely change the performance level of the camera. Stack sensor technology dramatically improves sensor readout speed, which directly reduces rolling shutter distortion and increases overall responsiveness. For photographers who rely heavily on electronic shutter shooting, this could be one of the most important improvements Canon has ever brought to the APS-C category. Instead of distorted wings, warped vehicles, or bent backgrounds during rapid panning, the EOS R7 Mark II may finally deliver electronic shutter performance that feels nearly identical to a mechanical shutter. That would allow photographers to fully benefit from silent shooting without worrying about image distortion ruining critical moments. The faster sensor is also expected to unlock incredible shooting speeds. Current rumors suggest the camera may reach up to 40 frames per second with continuous autofocus and auto exposure tracking enabled. That level of performance pushes the EOS R7 Mark II directly into flagship territory. For sports and wildlife shooters, shooting at 40 FPS means capturing moments that would otherwise be impossible to predict. Every wing movement, facial expression, or split-second action becomes easier to freeze with perfect timing. To manage this huge amount of data, Canon is rumored to include its advanced DIGIC Accelerator processing engine, a technology previously associated with the company's higher-end professional bodies. This processor is expected to improve not only burst performance, but also autofocus intelligence, subject recognition, and overall system responsiveness. Canon's autofocus systems are already among the most respected in the camera industry, but the EOS R7 Mark II could push those capabilities even further with more advanced AI-assisted tracking. Reports suggest the camera may recognize subjects faster and maintain focus more effectively even in difficult environments filled with distractions. Wildlife photographers shooting through branches, grass, or uneven terrain may see major improvements in subject tracking reliability. Sports photographers could also benefit from smarter predictive autofocus algorithms. the camera may become better at identifying athlete movement patterns and maintaining accurate focus during rapid direction changes. Instead of losing focus during chaotic moments, the EOS R7 Mark II could stay locked onto subjects with far greater consistency. The physical design of the camera is also expected to change significantly. While the original EOS R7 focused heavily on portability, many users felt the smaller body lacked the comfort and balance needed for professional telephoto shooting. Leaked information suggests Canon is moving toward a larger, more professional body design similar to the EOS R6 series. This redesign could make a major difference for photographers who regularly use heavy lenses such as the RF100 to 500mm or RF200 to 800mm. A deeper grip would improve comfort and handling during long shooting sessions while also providing better balance when tracking fast-moving subjects. Canon is also rumored to refine the control layout, including joystick positioning and button placement, to create a more professional shooting experience overall. The larger body may also provide a major advantage in thermal performance. Heat management has become one of the most important challenges for modern hybrid cameras, especially as manufacturers continue pushing video resolutions higher. According to current leaks, the EOS R7 Mark II may support internal 8K UHD video recording, which would instantly make it one of the most advanced APS-C hybrid cameras on the market. Recording 8K video generates enormous heat and places extreme demands on processing hardware. Cameras with poor thermal design often struggle with overheating limitations that interrupt recording sessions. Canon appears determined to avoid those issues by redesigning the internal cooling structure and providing more space for heat dissipation. If these reports are accurate, creators may be able to shoot longer high-resolution video clips with fewer interruptions. Video performance is expected to go far beyond simple resolution improvements. The EOS R7 Mark II is also rumored to support internal 4K 120p slow-motion recording, giving filmmakers the ability to create smooth cinematic action footage. Combined with Canon's autofocus system and stabilization technology, this could make the camera an extremely capable tool for hybrid creators working across photography and video production. If the current rumors prove accurate, the EOS R7 Mark II could become one of the most important camera releases for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and hybrid creators in years. By combining stacked sensor technology, ultra-fast burst shooting, advanced AI autofocus, professional video tools, upgraded ergonomics, and high-speed storage into a compact APS-C body, Canon may finally deliver the true mini flagship many photographers have been waiting for.